How to make your nails grow longer in 5 minutes. Hey everyone! Are you tired of short, brittle nails that just won't seem to grow? Well, I've got a secret for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your nails grow longer in just 5 minutes. That's right, just 5 minutes to stronger, healthier nails that you can show off proudly. Struggling to grow those nails? You're not alone. Thousands of people dream of having naturally long, healthy nails but can't figure out how to achieve it. Today, we're going to change that. By the end of this video, you'll learn an easy and effective way to boost your nail growth. We all know how frustrating it can be to wait for our nails to grow. But did you know that with the right routine, you can promote nail growth faster than ever before? In this video, I'll take you through a simple but powerful routine that targets nail health, so your nails can grow longer and stronger in no time. So, what's the secret to fast nail growth? We're going to break it down into 4 key steps: nail care, nutrition, natural remedies, and daily habits. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll share an extra bonus tip that will completely transform your nail game. By following this routine, you'll not only improve your nail growth but also enhance your nail health, making them less prone to breakage. 1. Warm up, prepping your nails. Before we dive into the growth hacks, it's important to start with the basics: prepping your nails. A clean, healthy base is crucial for optimal nail growth. Start by soaking your nails in warm, soapy water for a few minutes. This softens your cuticles and makes your nails more receptive to the treatments we're about to apply. Then, gently push back your cuticles with a cuticle pusher. This creates space for your nails to grow out. 2. Main content: nail care, nutrition, remedies, and habits. A nail care routine. Now, let's talk nail care. One of the best ways to encourage growth is to moisturize your nails and cuticles regularly. Cuticle oil is a game changer. Applying it daily keeps your cuticles soft, which helps prevent breakage and stimulates growth. You can use store-bought cuticle oil or even simple olive oil from your kitchen. B. Nutrition for nail growth. Next up, nutrition. Your nails need the right nutrients to grow long and strong. That means eating foods rich in biotin, like eggs, nuts, and leafy greens. If you're not getting enough biotin through food, you might want to consider a biotin supplement. Remember, healthy nails start from within. See natural remedies. For a quick growth boost, try a simple garlic and lemon juice remedy. Garlic contains selenium, which promotes nail growth, and lemon juice helps strengthen nails. Just rub a garlic clove on your nails, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then dip them in lemon juice for a quick strengthening treatment. It's a natural, inexpensive remedy that really works. D. Daily habits for nail health. Lastly, daily habits matter. Avoid using your nails as tools. Don't pick, pry, or scrape with them, and always wear gloves when doing household chores. Protecting your nails from damage is just as important as promoting growth. 3. Success stories. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some success stories from people who've tried these tips and seen incredible results. These are real people, just like you, who followed this routine and achieved the long, strong nails they've always wanted. You can do it too. Visual and demonstration cues. Now, let's go over some of the visuals you'll need to remember while following this routine. Here's a helpful graphic to remind you of the best foods for nail growth. And remember, proper form is key when applying treatments. Always massage the oils or remedies into your nails and cuticles for the best results, engagement, and interaction. I want to hear from you. What's your biggest nail struggle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you try this routine, be sure to share your progress with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag #NailGrowthChallenge so we can all support each other on this journey. And hey, why not challenge yourself? Stick to this routine for 30 days and see just how much your nails can grow. I can't wait to see your results. Remember, growing your nails takes patience, but consistency is key. Every day you follow this routine brings you closer to the nails you've always wanted. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Progress takes time. Stay committed, and soon you'll be flaunting your long, beautiful nails with pride. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with a friend who's also looking to grow their nails. For more tips on taking care of your nails and skin, check out my other videos on my channel. I've got plenty of content to help you feel your best every day. Alright, let's recap what we covered today. We went over the importance of prepping your nails, maintaining a proper nail care routine, fueling your body with the right nutrients, and protecting your nails from damage with daily habits. And don't forget that amazing garlic and lemon juice remedy. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to longer, stronger nails in no time. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into more beauty hacks that you can do at home. As always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your nail health. These tips are meant for general use, and results may vary depending on individual factors. Always be gentle with your nails and avoid any practices that cause discomfort or pain. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining and take care of those nails.